So this is how you can use the background mode of PeekSmith, and it should work the same way on Android and on iOS. Now I'm showing it on Android. So first of all, you have to have the latest version of the app, which is currently 4.1.27. If you have a lower version, then you should update the app. Once you have the latest version, first you should go to Settings and scroll down to Other Settings, and for the real performance mode you will select Background Music Silence, because you don't want to hear anything from the app. But for testing purposes you can select some other background musics. So this time I will select piano. And as soon as you select it, you will hear nothing. You will only hear the piano music if the app is sent to the background, like this. And now we can hear the piano music. As soon as we switch back to the app, the piano music stops. So you can verify if the app is running in the background by hearing the piano music. So once this piano music is set, and only for testing, then we will go to web data polling, because we want to see something on the PeekSmith while the app is in the background. So in web data polling, first you should enable it, and then you should go to web data sources and turn off everything and only enable the last one, test current time. So only this one will be active, and it will display the time every 10 seconds. So now we can save and close. And once the PeekSmith is connected and the PeekSmith text or the logo is displayed, then you can start routine and start the web polling. And after 10 seconds the time should be displayed on the PeekSmith, and if it's enabled, then you will also see the notification on the top. So now the time is on the PeekSmith. You can exit to the home screen, or you can just simply send the app to the background, and you will hear the piano music. If you want to lock your phone, and this is really important, first you will have to send the app to the background, and only then you can lock your phone. And you will still hear the piano music. And I think my screen recording just stopped, but it doesn't matter because you will see it on the screen. I will test now the background mode with the camera app. So I'm just starting my camera and I'm switching to video mode, and I will film my PeekSmith. So I'm starting recording now. And can you still hear the piano music? Yes, you can. And it indicates that the app is running very stable in the background, even if you are shooting a video with the same phone. So now I will stop the video. I can even play the recording and I will hear the piano music in the video. But now I'm just exiting the camera and switching back to the PeekSmith app, and look how it still displays the current time. So it worked very well in the background. And now I switch back to the app. As soon as I switch back, the piano music stops playing. And now I can stop the web data polling. Don't forget to disable the test current time and only enable the source you want to use for your next performance. I recommend only using one source at a time. So anyway, we are done testing, so now we can switch back the background music to silence. And as soon as I select silence, the app will start playing the silence music also when the app is in the foreground. So if you are using Bluetooth headphones and the multi-display option, the audio assistant,
1, 2, 3.
you will hear no delay in the Bluetooth earpiece because this silent background music is already playing now and it keeps the Bluetooth earpiece awake. So this is important that you select silence for the real performance mode, and now you can use the app in the background normally because it will play the silent background music also when the app is in the background. So this is how the PeekSmith app works in the background, and it's really important that first you minimize the app, send it to the background, and only then you can lock your phone and still use the app in the background, and it will still display data on the PeekSmith device. So this is how the background mode works, and it's the same on Android and on iOS.